Right about here, I want to do a song by a friend of mine. When he did this song, that's one of my special songs I love about him. I'm speaking of Lionel Richie. And I told Lionel, I said, Lionel, I sing this song better than you do. He said, a lot of people can sing that song better than me. Like this. here, ladies and gentlemen, I want to bring back to the stage